Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry muffins. This muffin recipe is very simple. I'll also tell you some tips and tricks to get the beautifully domed muffins. So let's start the recipe. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new recipes every week. Starting off with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. You can use salted or unsalted. I have used unsalted. And 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Whisk both these ingredients until sugar dissolves. Next, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a quick mix and add half cup of sifted flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt only if you are using unsalted butter. Skip the salt if you have used salted butter. Next, add 2 tablespoons of room temperature milk. Mix all the ingredients very well and make a lump-free batter. Add just a pinch of yellow food color. This is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Take half cup of fresh blueberries, coat them with some dry flour so that they don't accumulate in the bottom. Add it to the mixture and give it a quick mix. Take muffin molds, put cupcake liners in it and fill each liner up to the brim. Add some more blueberries on the top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius or 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes and then reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 more minutes. Since we have added baking powder, so when it goes in the oven, due to the high temperature, the edges will immediately rise and create a perfect dome. So this was the trick to get the beautiful dome. After 20 minutes, take them out from the oven and unmold them. Enjoy them with your loved ones and do share your experience in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.